What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot AI. Comparing Copilot to ChatGPT, it has more features that is not even available in ChatGPT, and the best part is that it's free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it simply and easily without any problems. So now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser, and here you have two options. If you are using the Microsoft Edge, you can simply click on this icon right here, Copilot, or press Ctrl Shift plus comma. Okay, so you can click on it simply, then it will show you this page right here on the right side. You can simply type whatever thing that you want. So let me search for something. How many countries in Europe, for example? As you can see now, it's searching. So here, as you can see, it gave me the answer. There are 44 countries in Europe today. Okay, now this is the first method, but this is not actually the method with full features. Now you can simply jump into the second method, and the second method is the most important, and I advise you all to do that. Now you can simply click on this search bar right here and type Copilot. Then here, as you can see, it will show you this option right here, Microsoft Copilot. Just click on it. Then here, as you can see, it will show you this page right here. Now, there's just a small tab that I need you to know. You don't have to create an email or sign in order to use Copilot. But if you want to access to your search history or use the plugins, you'll have to sign in using your Microsoft account. So now, once you open it, here, as you can see, you will find my recent chat history. As you can see, I have searched for number of European countries, and now you have some suggestions. As you can see, for example, what are common flights patterns of birds and why do they do it? And here you have the chat box, which you can type in the prompt that you want in order to get the answers. Now here you can use your microphone in order to search for whatever thing that you want, and you can also add an image in order to search about it or do something like getting some answers about it. And here you have new topic. If you want to stop chatting about the same topic, you can simply click on new topic and start giving him more prompts about new topic. And on the right side, you can see the chat history, and you can also see here the plugins which you can add in order to make your experience much more better. Now on the top left corner, you can see these three horizontal lines. You can click on it and choose the appearance. You can choose the dark mode, as you can see, which is much more better. And you can also choose the light mode. And now here, as you can see, you have this icon right here, which is called Try Copilot Pro. Now, what is the difference? Simply, when you try the Copilot Pro or you upgrade to Copilot Pro, this will cost you about $20 every month. But this will include the priority access to GPT-4 Turbo during peak times for faster performance. And this will also include Copilot and select Microsoft 365 apps so that you can use it while using Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and so on. And you will be able also to generate unique images and then enhance your creations using 100 daily boosts with Designer. And if you subscribe, you will have 1 month free trial. Now, going back to this page, when you try to hover over this icon right here, you can simply choose the ChatGPT on your phone. Okay, now I have tried to type a small prompt in order to create an image using Copilot. So as you can see, I have typed create an image of magical phoenix in dark blue land. The weather is rainy with some stars falling behind in the sea. So let's click on submit, and it will take some time in order to generate you about 4 pictures, as you can see now. And you have here in the new Copilot, you have more editing capabilities by using many applications to resize your photo or even do any modifications to it. And as you can see, this picture is insane. So, and you can even see the other photos by clicking on these arrows right here, and you can even download it and share it, and you can simply customize it. So I'm gonna click on customize in order to jump me directly to Microsoft Designer. And now here, as you can see, it will show you this page right here. Now you can do some modifications. You can add a text or even use some visuals right here, but be careful when you try to make some edits. This will consume some of your boosts. And as you can see, I have 14 of them right now. And if you subscribe to the paid plan, you'll get hundreds of boosts every day. So actually, this is one of the best AIs I have seen. And here, as you can see, you can also type more prompt in order to do some modifications. And he has some suggestions that you can use. make the phoenix glow with golden feathers, for example. Now to this load, just let me show you some ideas. And here, as you can see in the designer page, you can see more options. You can see things like videos, for example. If you want to make an intro for your YouTube, or you want to make an advertisement or something, you can also use these ideas. It looks so great. Now let me check the new photos. As you can see right now, it made the feathers glow, but now I have only 13. So now let me type another prompt and see if they will consume one more or not. Now I have just typed, let the phoenix throw flame from its mouth. Okay, actually this is so fun. He literally did nothing. He just did some modifications, but he didn't actually understand what I mean. But all in all, that was a good experience. And here, as you can see, I have consumed one more post, as you can see. Now, another feature that you can use, if you are opening a PDF, you can simply use this Microsoft Copilot extension. You can use it simply to summarize the book, or to search for something that you need about this book, or about the PDF that you are using or opening on your Microsoft Edge browser. So actually, it was a good experience. I advise you all to try it. And you can also, guys, try to look at these plugins and see how does they work. And I think they will provide better experience. And you could also use the microphone. Let me just try this microphone. So I will use the microphone and say something that they will create. Okay, now create an image of a dark Dracula getting some blood from... Okay, I couldn't even complete my sentence, but let's see how well it works. This also consumed one of my boosts. It doesn't matter. They will give you daily some boosts. Not bad work, but here, as you can see, these boosts, they will give you daily some boosts, but they will not be as much as if you are in the premium plan. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.